Hello friends, welcome to CLAD Simplified. Today we will discuss questions related to blood relation, and like every time, first I will discuss the important instructions. So be ready with a pen and paper. So what you have to do is to pause the video after I dictate the question and try to solve the question. Okay, and then answer will be revealed after a couple of seconds. So make sure you pause the video, try to solve the question, and then the answer will be revealed. Explanation will be provided after every question. हर question के end में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा इन केस आपको सही आंसर नहीं मिला हो. एंड एट द एंड द परफॉर्मेंस मीटर इज प्रोवाइडेड. ओके, आप कैसे परफॉर्म किए वो भी आपको दिया जाएगा, तो आप उससे फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं आपका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट अस गो टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
The first question says, pointing out a man receiving the prize, Malaika said, "He is the brother of my uncle's daughter." Who is the man to Malaika? As you can see, there are four options. Pause the video and try to solve the question. So I hope you are ready with the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D, cousin. In case you haven't got the correct answer, let me show you the explanation. So this is the explanation of this question. So moving to the next question. The second question says, pointing to a girl in the picture, Salman said, "Her mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father." How is the girl's mother related to Salman? Remember, how is the girl's mother, not the girl, related to Salman? And again, you have four options. Try to solve this. So the correct answer of this question is option C, grandmother. So I hope you have got the correct answer. Let me show you the explanation. So moving to the next question. Pointing to a picture, Ame said, "She is the mother of my son's wife's daughter." How is the lady related to the Amer? Again, you can see there are four options. Try to solve this. So the correct answer of this question is option C, daughter-in-law. The explanation is in front of you. So moving to the next question. Question 4 says, if Amitabh says, "Ritik's mother is the only daughter of my mother," how is Amitabh related to Ritik? Option A, grandfather. Option B, father. Option C, brother. Or option D, none of this. So I hope you are ready with the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D, none of this. Now let me show you the explanation as to what is actually the correct answer. So as you can see, this is the explanation of the question. So moving to the fifth question. Akshay told Vivek, "Yesterday I defeated the only brother of the daughter of grandmother." Whom did Akshay defeat? Very interesting question. Pause the video and try to solve this. Is it option A, son, option B, father, option C, brother, or option D, father-in-law? So the correct answer of this question is option B, father. So in case you have got the correct answer, then you don't need to worry. But in case you have got the wrong answer, the explanation is right in front of you. So I hope you have understood the explanation. So moving to the sixth question. Introducing Asa to guest, Vaskar said, her father is the only son of my father. How is Asa related to Vaskar? Read the question properly and try to answer the question. So the correct answer of this question is option D, daughter. The explanation again in front of you. So moving to the final question, that is the seventh question. Introducing a man, a woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my father. How is the man related to his woman? There are four options. Option A, father. Option B, son. Option C, uncle. Or option D, brother. So the correct answer of this question is option B, son. So I hope you all have got the correct answer. In case you haven't, then again the explanation is in front of you. So now let us go to the performance meter. Talking about the performance meter, if you have got all 7 correct, then you are amazing at this section. If you have got anything between 4 and 6, then you are good at this section. However, if you have got less than 4, then you need to work more. Yes, we have provided the playlist of blood relation in the description. Don't forget to appear those. We'll upload more in the future. So all the best aspirants. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you and have a nice day.